The Educational Engineering Team, or EET, is a leading organization in the engineering industry, providing expert-led courses and valuable content. Their website, educationalengineering.com, features a dynamic blog with trending headlines focused on embedded systems, Linux kernel developments, and related tools. Recent news includes the August 11th, 2025 announcement of Bootlin Toolchain's 2025.08, detailing new enhancements to their freely available cross-compilation toolchains. On August 6, 2025, an article highlighted how the Congatec board controller, an x86 system on module, now supports the upstream Linux kernel via an ESPI bus. Another notable headline from August 5, 2025, explored the increasing industry use of eBPF programs, titled Bouncing on Trampolines to Run eBPF Programs. The Linux Display Next Hackfest 2025, organized by AMD in Toronto, was recapped on July 31st, bringing together diverse contributors. Bootlin's contributions to the Linux 6.16 release were highlighted on July 29th, showcasing their ongoing impact. The Snagboot 2.4 release, an open-source tool for restoring and debugging embedded platforms, was overviewed on July 28th. Bootlin also made a significant presence at ELC 2025, the Embedded Linux Conference Europe, with 25 engineers and 8 presentations. A step-by-step guide for adding SoC and board support to Zephyr with CH32v303 was published on July 11th, part of an ongoing series. Finally, materials for their new Embedded Linux Networking training course were published on July 4th, expanding their educational resources. Beyond these headlines, the EET Academy offers over 20 expert-led courses, including hands-on projects like those based on Arduino and certifications. The platform supports more than 170 languages and offers flexible payment methods such as PayPal, Stripe, and Apple Pay. Accessible on mobile devices, the Academy provides personalized learning paths, live coaching, community forums, and career services. They also feature an affiliate program, allowing users to earn up to $1,500. Explore the Educational Engineering Team's blog for the latest in embedded systems and enhance your skills with their comprehensive academy offerings.